Mich join my. Mich join my, which means I love you in Kashmiri. Zuvmyon. Zuvmyon, which means you are my life. We can as well use expression Dil jigar myon. Dil jigar myon, which means you are my life. Balai lagai. Balai lagai. Let your trouble be mine. If someone is sick or a child is crying, we use the expression balai lagai. Vankya. Vankya means please. When we are requesting someone, we say Vankya. The other way can as well be Nokar chusai. Nokar chusai, which literally means I am your servant. Ursh karit. Ursh karit means with pleasure. When someone wants to respond to your request in yes, we say Ursh karit. Kunyu vatin means no way. Michu chon feran. Michu chon feran means I miss you and feel sad about it. Michu chon feran. Please pay attention. We also use Michu feran to express sadness for some things like Michu feran emis log dab. Michu feran emis log dab, meaning I feel sad because he fell down. Michu vernij feran. Michu vernij feran is used to express extreme sadness. For example, Michu vernij feran mirraj. Michu vernij feran mirraj, which means I am feeling extremely sad because I lost my wedding ring. Bokumyon. Bokumyon is an intense expression to show how important someone is in your life. Generally, mothers use this expression for their kids. Kya chuk karan? Kya chuk karan means what are you doing? Kya chak karan? Kya chak karan means what are you doing? Mesut kark khandar? Mesut kark khandar means will you marry me? Us hekvu dost banit? Us hekvu dost banit means can we be friends? Zekyut chusai bubasan. Zekyut chusai bubasan means how do you like me? Zekis chasai bubasan. Zekis chasai bubasan means how do you like me? Paga hekvu us milit. Paga hekvu us milit means can we meet tomorrow? That's all for this video. If you know any other expression of love, please write down in the comment box of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye-bye.